Good morning, friends. Now we will discuss about the linear equation. Linear equations in two variables. Linear means degree 1. इक्वेशंस मीन्स जहाँ पे इक्वल का सिंबल आ जाए वो इक्वेशंस हो जाती है. टू मीन्स टू. वेरिएबल्स मीन्स अल्फ़ाबेट A to Z. It means an equation standard form ax plus by is equal to c. This is a linear equation in two variables where x and y are two variables. Equal symbol form of equation and power of x and y are 1, so degree is 1. This is called a linear equation. Now we will discuss about the solution of linear equations. Solution of linear equations. There are four methods of solving linear equations in two variables, a pair of linear equations in two variables. Firstly is graphical method. Graphical method. Second, algebraical method or substitution method. पुटिंग मेथड भी हम इसको बोल सकते हैं. नंबर 3, एलिमिनेशन मेथड. एलिमिनेशन मेथड. नंबर 4, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. Now we will discuss about the substitution method. In previous video we have discussed about the pair of linear equations and their solution by graphical method. Now we will discuss the solution of linear equations by substitution method. Let take a pair of linear equations. Firstly, 2x minus 3y is equal to 6 equation let first, and x plus y is equal to 5 let equation second. In substitution method, we will find the value of one variable. Here are two variables x and y, and we will find the value of x or y from equation first or second. This method, this step is called substitution method. From let कोई भी हम इक्वेशन लें 1 और 2, from equation first or second, let take second. From equation second, find the value of x, or from equation second substitute the value of x or y, x or y, as you wish. Now, for finding the value of x from equation second, the value will be, equation second is x plus y is equal to 5, then x will be 5y minus हो जाएगा. Let equation third. Now from equation third, the value of x, putting in equation first, not in second, only in first. जिस भी इक्वेशन से हमने x और y को सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है या x और y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट की है, उसको छोड़ के जो रिमेनिंग इक्वेशन होगी उसमें हम ये वैल्यू पुट करेंगे x की. दैट इज कॉल्ड दिस मेथड सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड और पुटिंग मेथड. नाउ पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस इन इक्वेशन सेकेंड, पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x in equation first. 2 multiply x, x is 5 minus y, minus 3y is equal to 6. On solving, 10 minus 2y minus 3y is equal to 6, minus 5y is equal to 6 minus 10, that is minus 4. Minus 5y is equal to minus 5y is equal to minus 4. Then y will be minus 4 divided by minus 5, cancelling. Then y is 4 by 5. Now putting the value of y in equation third. Now putting the value of y in equation third or first or second. Then third equation is this, x is equal to 5 minus y, and we will put the value of y, then x will be 5 minus y is 4 by 5. Taking LCM 5, 25 minus 4, it will be 21 by 5. So the values of x is 21 by 5 and y is equal to 4 by 5. This is the method of substitution by the solving of linear equations into variables. Thank you.